Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a circle guide kit. This handy tool transforms your router into a precision instrument, allowing you to cut perfect circles for various woodworking projects. Whether you're crafting a round tabletop, a speaker enclosure, or decorative frames, a circle guide kit ensures accuracy and clean edges. It's a straightforward process that makes achieving professional results much easier. Setting up your circle guide kit is the first crucial step. Begin by removing your router's existing base plate. Then, align the mounting holes on the circle guide kit with those on your router and secure it firmly with the provided screws. Next, install the centering pin into your router's collet. This pin is essential for ensuring your jig is perfectly centered, which is key to cutting accurate circles. Now let's get to cutting. First, drill a small pivot hole at the exact center of your intended circle on the workpiece. For stability and to protect your workbench, attach your workpiece to a sacrificial board using double-sided tape. Insert the pivot pin into the hole, set your desired radius, and begin routing. Make several shallow passes, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch deep, moving your router in a smooth, counterclockwise direction until you cut through the material. For the best results, always use a sharp, solid carbide upcut spiral router bit. This will ensure cleaner edges and reduce tear out. Remember to clear wood chips frequently during your passes. This prevents debris from interfering with the jig's movement and keeps your bit from cutting through accumulated material. Also, for a truly effortless cleanup after your woodworking projects, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.